So today I am doing a organize all my Bath and Body Works stuff. It's my new like rolly cart kind of thing that I got. It has three. There's one on the bottom that you can't see, but yeah, the lighting's probably not the greatest in this video. And I just realized that I'm filming my videos in 1080p, which is the highest you can get before going to 4K, I think. And then YouTube only allows you to have it in 360p, so my videos look bad quality. I do without YouTube. There's a YouTuber I know who says she films in 4K and it looks like a 360p, so my videos look really weird because of that. That's not my fault. I'm actually filming in 1080p, so yeah, that's been an issue, but so I just have boxes upon boxes upon boxes of wallflowers and candles and fragrances and a few up there too. So we're just gonna get started. So the first box I have is right here. I think this is my bag of chapstick. And I have a wax warmer but I'm also enjoying my coconut milk because I am lactose intolerant, so I do drink coconut milk. I used to get lactose-free milk. Has more calories than coconut, so I actually like the taste of coconut milk, so it tastes good. I really do like coconut flakes. Those are good. That's some of my lip balm. I have more, but I'm gonna clean it that way. Next one, box specifically says candles, so there better be candles in here. This will be kind of like a sneak peek collection. I won't show everything, but something I will. So one thing I have in here is my only Bath and Body Works full-size candle. This is actually the White Barn Watermelon Lemonade candle. I got this for Christmas last year. And I've only burnt a little bit because it's I'm kind of scared to use it. Because it's actually a very, very heavy candle, but that's that. I have some fall candles, the Rake Pile Leaf, Cactus Blossom, Harvest and Hayrides, Sea Salt and Pineapple. I'm trying to find other stuff. I have all my scrunchies in here for protection. Cranberry Sage is actually a Christmas candle. I should leave this one out for Christmas. Put that up there. Then I have Toasted Marshmallow, which actually won't burn anymore, so this is an empties, which I forgot to put in. And then I have my passion fruit candle, which smells amazing, so that's all in this box. Another box of purely candles, I believe at least. Yeah, I have my Bath and Body Works vanilla bean candle. It smells like vanilla bean oil. I want to put it out for Christmas, but it has flowers on it, so I obviously can't do that. Then I have my Lakeside Sunrise, which is a spring candle. That's from Bath and Body Works. I have Woodwick in Satin and Driftwood, which I'm only almost done with, actually. It's a tiny little baby candle. Then I have my Honey and Home vanilla candle, which smells like coconut and vanilla, and it reminds me of something from China when I lived there. So that's all in this box. Now I have all my little wallflowers, which I'll go through those later because that's a lot of them. And then the big box stuff, and also two up here. This is the recent one I hauled, Apple Blossom. So, what I think I'm going to do, since I have, there's 3 seasons. There's 4 seasons, but there's 3 buckets for the 3 seasons because I keep one season out all the time, so I always switch. So we're going to after the first season after winter is going to be spring. So this is a spring scent Apple Blossom, so I'll put that one in there. And lotions, I don't know what I'm going to do with my unbranded lotions, or unscented lotions. So I have this huge box, which I'm bringing over here. But you guys can't see it because it's behind the camera. Where I have a ton of stuff that I probably don't need, but, I'm not willing to really give away. I do give away these as presents, so. Yeah. Well, let's start. So Violet Leaf and Blackberry was an SAS thing, and this is a spring scent as well. And then I think Wild Strawberry. Wild Strawberry is the same collection as this kind. these will be, I'll organize it later, but, another one, Black Cherry Merlot, I count that as a spring scent usually. I don't know why, but I just do. I'm trying to find some other stuff. I know I have some springy ones in here. Oh, Pretty as a Peach I count as a spring scent. I have a really hard time finding some of these, guys. Oh, here we go. Whipped Vanilla Chiffon is a spring scent. I have, more candles. Pumpkin Peanut Brittle. Amazing scent. Amazing. This one is, I forgot, but it doesn't even smell like anything. That's weird. Okay, I'm trying to find some and I can't find them. Like, oh, well, Champagne Toast is like a springy scent. That's, at least it counted like a springy scent. I know I have one more spring scent. Oh, here we go. 1 in a Million. I think this is like supposed to be a Valentine's Day kind of thing, but it's very, very flowery, and I don't really like it, and I don't know why I bought it, but it's on sale for $5, and I was like, well, sure, why not? Bad idea. Don't get it. It's disgusting. I mean, oh gosh, my back hurts. Okay, so that's this bucket, so which I'm actually gonna organize right now. Oh, why did I take this out? Oh gosh, I'm a little frazzle-brained. I don't know. So we're going to do all the big fragrance mists on the bottom. Like that. And then I'll do, that doesn't fit there, the lotion on the side. And then blackberry thing on the top with the 2 little guys. There. Nice and organized. My spring collection is very small because spring doesn't last very long in Wisconsin. Winter takes up most of spring. We have like 1, maybe 2 months of spring. So, you know. Summer is next, which I have... Wait. Just a second. Alright, okay, so the 2 shower gels I have for summer, currently, are Endless Weekend Pie Paradise Cove. I actually, when this line first came out, I wanted it so bad, and I found it on sale, which I'm a sale shopper. If you don't know that about me, well, now you do. I love sale, and I don't like paying a lot for things because, I don't know, I don't have a job. So the next one is the Aromatherapy Relax Hawaiian Sandalwood Eucalyptus and Mandarin, or Hawaiian Sandalwood Eucalyptus and Mandarin. Super nice, like, summery kind of scent, which, yeah, I'm gonna put some up here for now. Get out my fragrance mist. So Fiji Sunshine Guavatini. Some of these I can sell, but Bora Bora Citrus Surf. I have a lot from that line, actually. Bahamas Passion Fruit Banana Flower. Best summer scent like ever. I have Pie Paradise Cove in the spray as well. I have Soak in the Sun. What's wrong with me? I literally forgot to take Fresh Sparkling Snow out because it looks kind of like... Sometimes. Georgia Peach and Sweet Tea is from the same thing as Pretty as a Peach, but I like sweet tea, and I think sweet tea is more of a, yeah, Pink Cashmere is like an all-around scent. I'm gonna put this in this one. My foot's falling asleep. No! I have Sunset Guava Colada and Island White Sand. I have some small ones as well. I have the Mini at the Beach lotion, the Mini Bahamas, Bronze Coconut by Pink, and then a Mini Waikiki Beach Coconut, which I only have a little bit left. I'm really confused right now. I also have Lemon Pomegranate Cream. That was for Christmas a few years ago. Last year, actually, I think. I'm really confused right now, you guys. Anyways, we're just going to keep going. So I'm just going to put my shower gels in the back. Along with my other little things. I have the most winter scents, actually, because I absolutely love Christmas. Okay, that's that bucket, which is relatively heavy. Like, My foot is killing me. Not killing me, but it wants to fall asleep and not wake up. Which honestly, that's how I feel right now. Now, fall, I swear to you guys, I have more than 3 fall fragrances. Oh, I used some up. Oh well, I have pumpkin picking. The reason this isn't my full collection is because I'm going to be getting a lot more at SAS. Toasted praline and pear, love that scent. Marshmallow pumpkin latte. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to put, oh, I also have champagne apple honey lotion. Let me put these 2 Vaseline lotions. This is Cocoa Glow and this is the Advanced Repair. Put those in the back there. And then I'll put my lotion on top. I also have 2 little wax melts. I have Winter Mint, which this should go in my winter stuff, but I don't really use wax melts that much. And pumpkin spiced whipped cream. So I also have 2 Bath Bombs things. Oh Snap gingerbread cookie, and not sure that's in it, and a few more. But we're gonna be putting some candles in there, like little candle guys. Oopsies! Sorry about that. That was not supposed to happen. My little fall candles, I guess. Some of my, well, peanut butter brittle is fall. I know that. And I know we have more fall candles. I thought I had more things. Oh, I can put candles in here. So, Lakeside Sunrise and Vanilla Bean are gonna go in spring. So let me just find some space for this. I hope this thing doesn't break, because it doesn't seem very sturdy. Oh, it's probably my fault. Sand and driftwood, I usually put in there. Vanilla scented candle. My gosh, I'm not gonna have room in there. Actually, wait. No, I will. Because these can stand up. It's a summer candle. And my butter summer candle is not going to fit in this one. Also, it's getting really, really heavy. So, we're going to put some things out. Oh, wait, no. Oh, gosh. Let me just do some stuff quick. Oh, no. Okay. You know what? Organizing is really confusing to me sometimes. I'm not the best at organizing. I mean, I gotta say. We're gonna put the summer candle in with the fall stuff as well. I just don't have room in the summer spots at all. So, my wallflowers, I'm gonna put in there as well. We're just gonna go for my wallflowers. So, unless they're Christmassy. So, my cinnamon and cloves buds is for Christmas. Frosted cranberries for Christmas. And Paris Cafe I want for Christmas time. Sunset Glow is going to be rosemary piles. That's summer. Strawberry pound cake is going to be, that was a fall scent, I think, but it's more summery to me. No, fall. We're in fall. Island papaya is summer. Blueberry maple pancakes is fall. Pumpkin pecan waffles is fall. Wait, was it pumpkin? Yeah. Watermelon lemonade is, oops, summer. My goodness. White caramel cold brew is fall. Leaves is fall. My goodness, how many of these? Ocean driftwood is summer. Spiced apple toddy is Christmas. You know, I don't really have any defined scents for spring, but I'll probably just use Christmas scents because I love Christmas. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? Oh, I don't know. Maybe. I'm bad at decisions, you guys. I'm bad at decisions. I have this little basket of my empties that looks like this, which I'm gonna put my extra candles, all my wallflowers in, and Bath & Bodyworks watermelon lemonade candle, my other little candle guys, and all of these ones. And I hope it's, ooh, it does fit. I mean, seriously, it does fit. Wow. There. Yeah, so, oh, I'm going to put my bath bombs in there as well. And this bath bomb set is going to go right here. So, forgot one. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye!